everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about Breathe, which if you're in New Zealand and watching this, we call it Easy Air. Same oil, different name. So this oil is for the respiratory system, so respiratory support. So if you're trying to remember the themes I've been talking about in all these videos, this is going to be respiratory. The name Breathe makes that easy to remember. Easy Air, you know, it's pretty easy to remember. But anyway, Breathe is one oil in our house we go through really quick because we use a lot of it. So in my house, we diffuse, not in this diffuser you see back here, but in this cute little whale diffuser that plays music. We diffuse Breathe every night in our boys' room. And that's just to help, you know, open up those airways and get a good night's sleep and keep the room fresh because, you know, there's two little kids in a little small room and sometimes then makes for not super fresh air. So we diffuse it for them every night. And then my favorite way we use it is Ian literally slathers his chest with Breathe or Easy Air every night. And so he's a snorer, and I'm not allowed to snore, thankfully, but we have different kind of sleep patterns. So he's the kind of man that the second his head hits the pillow, sound asleep and snoring, lightly, but snoring. I'm the opposite. I can't fall straight to sleep usually. It takes me like 10 or 15 minutes, not an extreme amount of time, but it's not instant. But once I'm asleep, man, I'll sleep through anything. So you can see how we don't align. He's asleep doing little snores and I'm not asleep. So we've discovered if he slathers his chest and Breathe, it keeps things quiet and then I can go to sleep too, and it's really awesome. It also makes for a better night's sleep because it's just helping that respiratory system just open up and get some good air while you're sleeping. So a little funny story, which I don't think my mom would mind me telling to the whole world on the internet, but is that we were on a vacation, and when we go on vacation, she usually shares a room with our daughter because we have 3 kids, so our boys are in a room, Laura and my mom are in a room, and then Ian and I are in a room. Well, my mom's a loud snorer, and it keeps our daughter awake, or it even wakes her up. So my mom uses Breathe too, but sometimes she forgets. So one night we were on holiday, and Laura came out and was like, I can't sleep, Nana's snoring. So my mom's sound asleep, snoring. I go in there with a roller ball of Breathe. So, you know, if you don't know what a roller ball is, it's just a 10 ml bottle, so a little skinnier and longer than this, and it has a metal ball on the top, so you can just roll the oil on. So I go in there while my mom's sleeping, and I roll the Breathe on her chest and on the bottom of her feet, and it was instantaneous silence in the room. It was amazing, and my mom didn't even wake up. So that's how we use Breathe. Look, if you've got any kind of congestion going on, you can use Breathe on your chest to kind of just help open that up. You can use it on your back too, because obviously your lungs are in your front and your back. And you can just rub that on there or diffuse it. So one that we go through a lot in our house because we use it multiple times a day.